Imagine diving to the depths of the ocean where no light reaches. No human has ever set foot, and creatures more alien than any sci-fi film crawl through the crushing pressure of the ocean's deepest trenches. In this video, we're taking you on an incredible journey to explore the deepest ocean creatures ever filmed live. Creatures that challenge everything we thought we knew about biology, survival, and the limits of life on Earth. Get ready for a countdown of the top 10 most extraordinary creatures discovered at depths of 6,000 to 11,000 meters, where the pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience on the surface, and life survives in ways we could never imagine. Starting at number 10 on our list, Mariana Snailfish. In the Mariana Trench, 7,000 meters down, scientists filmed the Mariana Snailfish on a recent expedition using the DSSV pressure drop. These translucent fish have an unusually large mouth for suction feeding on smaller amphipods. What makes these creatures so extraordinary? Despite living at the deepest known depths for any fish, these snailfish have adapted in the most surprising ways. Their pale, gelatinous body and reduced bones allow them to withstand pressures that would crush most other vertebrates. The question remains, how do they navigate these crushing depths and survive when other creatures can't? Number 9 on our list is Midnight Zone Jellyfish. Deep beneath the surface in the Pacific's mid-water zone, bioluminescent jellyfish, including siphonophores and siphozoans, have been filmed at depths of 4,000 meters. These gelatinous creatures pulse rhythmically, using bioluminescence to communicate and capture prey in a world devoid of light. These stunning creatures drift passively through the water, using feeding tentacles to snare whatever comes close. Their ability to produce light in total darkness highlights their evolutionary brilliance in such extreme environments. But what triggers their bioluminescent signals? And how do they use light to survive in total darkness? Coming in at number 8, Dumbo Octopus. At 4,000 meters in the Palau National Marine Sanctuary, Dumbo octopuses have been filmed gracefully hovering near the seafloor, using their webbed arm umbrella to move slowly through the water. Their fleshy, ear-like fins give them their unique appearance, earning them their whimsical name. These creatures are masters of energy-efficient locomotion, designed to glide effortlessly with minimal energy expenditure. But how do they generate movement so effortlessly in the pressure of the deep? And what evolutionary advantages does their morphology provide? At number 7, we have Bigfin Squid deep in the Tonga Trench at 3,300 meters. The Bigfin Squid was captured on film for the first time, showcasing its long, drooping tentacles that can extend up to 8 meters. These squids' gelatinous bodies and specialized chromatophores, color-changing cells, make them invisible in the dark depths, allowing them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. The squid's tentacles, which trail like streamers in the current, are believed to help them snare prey and sense the environment around them. But how do they use their tentacles to communicate or capture prey in such an environment? Number 6 on our list belongs to Cusk eels. At 5,100 meters in the Kermadec Trench, cusk eels have been filmed using suction feeding techniques, quickly striking to capture prey. These eel-like creatures rely on sensory pores to detect movement in the water, even under the crushing pressures of the trench. Their long, eel-shaped bodies and adaptations for pressure survival make them well-suited to life at these depths. Scientists are studying their unique predation strategies to understand how they fit into the food web of the Hadal zone. For the number 5 position, we have Hadal amphipods captured in the Challenger Deep of the Mariana Trench at 10,929 meters. Hadal amphipods are small, shrimp-like creatures with reinforced exoskeletons that allow them to withstand extreme pressures. These mass-feeding creatures were filmed in action, displaying aggressive competition over food sources. What's fascinating is how these amphipods survive on the scavenged detritus from above, becoming critical to the ecosystem's nutrient cycles. But how do they process toxic chemicals at these depths without being harmed? Moving up to number 4, we find unknown snailfish. Filmed at a staggering 8,336 meters in the Izu Ogasawara Trench, this gelatinous, semi-transparent snailfish was filmed in real time by an autonomous lander in April 2023. With its elongated fins and lack of swim bladder, this species appears to hover with minimal effort, feeding on smaller amphipods in the deep. Scientists are still in awe of how this deep-sea vertebrate adapts to the immense pressure and lack of light. But could this snailfish represent a new frontier for the limits of vertebrate life in the deep ocean? Our number 3 pick is glass squid. At just 600 meters off the South Sandwich Islands, the glass squid was filmed by the Schmidt Ocean Institute's ROV Sebastian. Its transparent body allows it to blend seamlessly with its environment, using counter-illumination to escape predators. These squids can hover motionless in the water and are a prime example of deep-sea camouflage. But what makes their bioluminescence work so effectively in this freezing, near-constant darkness? In the runner-up position at number 2, we have colossal squid juvenile. Also filmed by the Sebastian ROV, the juvenile colossal squid at 600 meters in the South Sandwich Islands was filmed in situ for the first time. These massive squids are giant hunters with large eyes for low-light vision, tentacular hooks, and ammoniacal buoyancy. First filmed near Antarctica, this squid's unique anatomy allows it to survive and thrive at these depths. What's even more fascinating is how these squids evolve over time and adapt to their roles in predator-prey dynamics. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is deep-sea anglerfish. The deep-sea anglerfish, filmed at depths ranging from 6,000 to 8,000 meters in the Mariana Trench, is the ultimate example of deep-sea adaptation. With its bioluminescent lure and oversized teeth, this alien creature uses its lure to attract prey in the darkest depths. Despite its terrifying appearance, the anglerfish is a master of survival in the abyss, capturing prey with its large mouth and quick strikes. It's a model organism for understanding sensory evolution in the most extreme environments on Earth. These alien creatures not only redefine what life can endure, but they also offer vital clues to the biological and ecological processes that govern our planet. As we continue to explore the deepest parts of the ocean, who knows what new, unimaginable creatures await us? Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the continuing exploration of the ocean's final frontier. And remember, the deep sea is a world we still know very little about. So stay tuned for more amazing discoveries as we push the boundaries of science and exploration.